a little bit of origami. They say the art of letter writing is dying, so I'm going to show you how to revive it. This is a cute way of sending somebody a letter. So you just write, dear whatever, dear Rosemary, blah 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 blah, love, Jack. So there's your letter. How to post it. This is how you post it. Fold it in half there. This is a very simple origami fold. Bit like the old aeroplanes we used to make. Remember the planes we used to make when we were children? Fold that in there like that. Fold that half into the middle there like that. Bringing the bottom straight edge to meet that line over there. Then you just fold that over and tuck it in. You tuck it into there. And look at that. There's something quite magical in its own way. Your letter has turned into an envelope and you address it. So there we go. Stick your stamp on and it will get delivered, because I've tried that many times. I've sent letters like that to a friend. You send a letter like that to a friend, an acquaintance, a lover, whoever, and they'll be well impressed when they open it. Think, what the heck is this? And they find your letter inside. So it's quite a charming little thing. Of course, if ever you want to write a letter and you don't have an envelope, that's the way to do it. This is a fun little item. Not so much magic, more a little bar stunt, although it does have a slight magic element in it that could fool people. I used to do it with straws, two contrasting coloured straws, but you can do it with paper money. So if we look down a bit, I'll show you how you do this with money. Two notes, contrasting notes, 10s, 20s, 5s, 50s, doesn't matter, as long as you use two notes that are different. And you got to fold them in half again, twist it up like that to make a little flat sort of tube of it. So you've got two flat, a very flat note. So there's your 20, nice and flat, and you do the same with, in this instance, the 10, just making it absolutely flat as you can. And then this is what you do. You put the 20 on top of the 10 like that, and you twist it round, down that way, and back out the top like that. You take the 10, and you twist that one through like that. So to the person watching that trick, those are completely tight together. There's no way they could escape from each other. You put the two ends of the 20 together like that, the ends of the 10 like that. You get your spectator to hold one, so in this instance your spectator would hold a 20. You give a little tug like that, and they come apart. And that's quite impressive. It looks as if it would be impossible to get those two notes apart, and yet they do. So what I can do, I can just go through the moves again once more, just to make it clear for you. You got your 20 on top, folded round, at the bottom, over itself like that. This one goes underneath and through like that. So they are actually tight at the moment, but it's this move when you put that one across to there that's releasing it before they know. So they've actually released already, but they still look locked tight, and that little tug like that, and they come apart. A very cute little item that you can do wherever you go, because you can always borrow two bits of money.